This is where the map sensor is located on a 2008 Chevy Malibu. This is the 3.5. So you're gonna have to take off that cap, pull this off, put the cap back on, and then you're gonna have your sensor right here. And then you're gonna got the 3 wires. You're gonna have to unplug it, undo the connector, and pop it off. And then you're gonna have a bolt there, and then a bolt there. You can see this was on there. You can move that and then take that bolt off. Be careful with these lines here, but then you're gonna need to get that bolt off, move that out of the way, take this metal bracket off, and then you should be able to just pop that out and then unplug it and put in the new one. This is connected to your fuel pump sensors, and it's connected to your oil pressure sensor. So if this doesn't clear your code, it's going to be something else in that circuit. For mine, it was the oil pressure sensor that I was getting a code thinking it was the map sensor. So if that doesn't solve your code, I look into the oil pressure sensor. But yeah, there's just those 2 bolts here, and then this is what it kind of looks like, and then it goes down into the block. And then just take that cover off.